Now moving on to taking care of your hair system, styling, and other miscellaneous items, you will want to start thinking about brushes to use on your hair system. Now, if you're unfamiliar with brushes like I was when I first started this journey, didn't know much about them, there is a couple different ones that we're going to use for different things. This right here is a detangler style brush. Now this right here has very soft bristles. It has a lot of space in between the bristles, and what it's designed to do is help gently get out the tangles inside of your head. This will save you from losing a lot of the hair inside of your hair system from being pulled out that you might find another brush might cause. Now, this can give a substantial amount of life back to a hair system if you keep it from getting tangled, which is an important facet. So I use this just about every single day on my hair system. That being said, there is another type of brush that I use regularly. This right here is a rat tail brush, but it is plastic. Many of us men are familiar with these style brushes. They're very, very common, and they're very cheap. You can get them for about $1 in many stores. I use this a lot to help get adhesive out of my hair when I am doing a shampoo and condition of it. It can help to capture some of the adhesive that otherwise can be hard to grab. I don't generally use this on my hair system itself though, because it can pull hair out if there's any tangles if it's not perfectly used. So generally speaking, don't use this on the hair system, but it's great in order to get any adhesive that's stuck inside of your natural hair out. Now the third type of brush that I use, which I don't have here with me today, is a round brush. A round brush is cylindrical and it has bristles on all sides. This is a brush that you need to be careful of because you can pull out your hair, but it's used often if you're looking to create some volume inside of your hair system. So when you're styling your hair system, if you want more volume, a round brush is a tool that you can use, and there's many videos on how to use a round brush in order to add volume to your hair online that you can find. Those are the three main brushes that I use. Now, the next thing you may want to consider using is a blow dryer. Not everyone uses a blow dryer, and be warned, if you use a blow dryer wrong, it can take life out of your hair system. It can make your hair dry, it can damage it. Blow dryers need to be used with caution, but of course, many of us have to get our hair dried in a hurry some days. That being said, most of the time it's recommended that you let your hair air dry, come out of the shower, damp it with a towel, and then let it dry by itself. But if you have to use a blow dryer, I recommend getting one that has cool temperature settings. This is really, really important, and even furthermore, if you can get a blow dryer that has a diffuser on it, that's very important, and it'll help prevent damaging your hair. The main thing to look at when you're getting a blow dryer though is to make sure that it does have cool blow drying potential. Otherwise, you may run the risk of damaging your hair.